Are you tired of struggling to find success in the saturated world of affiliate marketing? Do you feel like you're constantly competing with countless other marketers, all vying for the same customers and commissions? If so, it's time to explore the hidden goldmine of niche affiliate marketing. By tapping into a profitable market that is specific and targeted, you can unlock a wealth of opportunities and increase your chances of success. Why should you consider niche affiliate marketing over more general approaches? The answer lies in its unique advantages. Unlike broad markets, niche markets cater to specific interests or needs within a larger industry. This allows you to focus your efforts on a smaller audience that is highly motivated and willing to spend money on products or services that meet their specific requirements. So what exactly will you gain from diving into niche affiliate marketing? Less competition. In broader markets, competition can be fierce as everyone tries to capture the attention of a large pool of potential customers. However, by targeting a narrow niche market, you'll face significantly less competition. This means greater visibility for your brand and higher chances of converting leads into sales. Higher conversion rates. When promoting products or services tailored specifically for your target audience's needs, conversion rates tend to be much higher compared to generic offerings. By understanding their pain points and providing solutions through well-targeted campaigns, you'll build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood they will purchase from your recommendations. Increased authority. By focusing on one particular niche market rather than spreading yourself thin across multiple industries or topics, you have an opportunity to establish yourself as an authority figure in that field. As customers recognize your expertise and knowledge within their area of interest, they are more likely to seek out your recommendations when making purchasing decisions. Long-term growth potential. Niche markets often have dedicated communities and loyal followers who are passionate about the subject matter. By consistently providing valuable content and building relationships with your audience, you can create a sustainable business that grows over time. As your reputation within the niche strengthens, so does your potential for long-term success. Now that you understand the benefits of niche affiliate marketing, let's dive into how you can tap into this profitable market. Identify your niche. Start by conducting thorough research to identify a profitable niche that aligns with both your interests and market demand. Look for areas where there is an existing gap or underserved audience that could benefit from specialized products or services. Understand your audience. Once you've chosen a niche, it's crucial to gain a deep understanding of your target audience. Conduct surveys, engage in social media groups or forums related to the niche, and analyze competitors' strategies to uncover their pain points, desires, and buying habits. Find profitable affiliate programs. Research affiliate programs within your chosen niche that offer high-quality products or services relevant to your audience's needs. Look for programs with attractive commission structures and reliable tracking systems. Create valuable content. Develop compelling content tailored specifically to address the needs of your target audience within the chosen niche market. This could include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media updates, whatever medium resonates best with them. Build relationships. Engage with your audience through various channels such as email newsletters or social media platforms to build trust and establish yourself as an authority figure within the niche community. Respond promptly to comments or questions from followers to foster meaningful connections. In conclusion, niche affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity for marketers looking to stand out from the crowd in today's competitive landscape. By targeting specific markets with specialized products or services catered towards their needs, you'll face less competition while enjoying higher conversion rates and increased authority within those niches. Remember, success in niche affiliate marketing requires careful research, understanding of your audience, and the creation of valuable content. By consistently delivering tailored solutions and building relationships with your target market, you can tap into this hidden goldmine and unlock a profitable market that sets you apart from the competition. So why wait? Start exploring niche affiliate marketing today and watch your business thrive.